Welcome to NorthStar. Which one of the following items would most likely cause the planning and budgeting system to fail? The lack of. The most important contributory to the budgeting process is the top management. In case there is no participation from the top management in the formulation of the budget, there has been no guidance from the top management, the budget is most likely to fail. So the correct option will be top management support, option C. But let's look at other options as well. Historical financial data, it is important. Important input from several levels of management, that is again important. Adherence to rigid budgets during the period, that is again important. But out of all the four options, the most important factor that the company must have at the time of preparation of a sound budget is support from the top management. Thank you.